So much for what is going to be lost and what is changing. So let's see what we're going to do about it. So companies and individuals have to think about retraining and reskilling themselves. So let's take a look at this chart. This is how important is addressing potential skills gap. So they know there's a gap related to automation, digitization within your organization's workforce. So this is all companies greater than 100 million in annual revenue. So in the United States, if you add the top priority, top 5 priority, and top 10 priority, that almost brings it to 77%. So 77% of companies whose revenue is greater than 100 million think that this is a priority. So what are we going to do about it? This one talks about how can your organization best resolve its potential skills gap related to automation, digitization over the next 5 years. So again, let's take United States. So here, 4% thinks only by retraining, 27% mainly by retraining, 35% an equal mix of hiring and retraining, and about 30% mainly by hiring, and then only 5% only by hiring. So the takeaway is there going to be a significant amount of reskilling and retraining which is going to be required in the immediate 5 years. This exhibit talks about which of the following groups or institutions who should take the lead in addressing this problem. So in the United States, they say federal government should take lead, that's 14%. They say corporations should take lead, that's 64%. Higher education institutions 3%, primary and secondary schools 4%, local governments 13%, and individual workers only 2%. That brings concern actually. So we're going to be leaving it to the corporations, the governments, the schools, and so on to decide what's going to happen with our fate. So as we saw, there's going to be a significant change in the workforce in terms of displacement and in terms of shuffling and the need for changing your role, and significant amount of retraining in the coming years. And this is definitely something which all of us should be preparing ourselves to face in the near future.